Gravitational Engine was published in the Science Journal of Aviskar of National Research Development Corporation of India on October 2014. Now I have done experimentally a new model. Take a thread having curves, hang it on a pole. A weight should be hung at the lowest point of the thread. The gravitational forces on the weight and the forces of cohesion in the thread should balance each other. Now put and remove a small weight on the weight already. The thread and the weight will rotate continuously, producing kinetic energy, and then electrical energy can be generated. Okay.